As business models and job requirements continue to change, it is crucial for our students to continuously upskill and remain competitive in the job market. That's why we have partnered with LinkedIn Learning, a leading platform for online education.
咁透過呢個合作，我哋希望以後enroll into BU 嘅 BBA 嘅學生咧，其實都可以得到第一手資訊，關於勞動市場喺人手所謂人力資源上面嘅需求與供應之間係一個咩關係啦。
Everyone is different, everyone is unique. With autonomy, you can pace your own study, you pace your own learning, you can choose wherever you think you have a gap in learning to fill up the gap by yourself.
It is very important because nowadays, the technology changes so fast. HKBU, AI, you know it, right? So that's why we have platform, we have updated skill, recommendation, based on your preference, based on your interest. They will recommend you based on that algorithm to recommend you some courses that is suitable for you, okay?
This library section introduces e-resources to students. We really hope that students will have the chance to explore these amazing resources.
Is it better to keep it simple but with some kind of story?
I would recommend being more detailed on LinkedIn as compared to your practice on a regular resume. 其實學生當佢哋一個咁樣嘅環境，一個buffet形式嘅環境之後咧，其實佢哋會對於乜嘢嘅學習內容咧係產生更加多嘅興趣啦。咁所以好開心，今次有機會成為呢一個project 嘅一部分。